Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day. No, you know what? I bring her down. The both shop work. That not our work. No reason why it's
Come.
blood clot.
Me hear people tell lies on me. Lord have mercy, God, big dog, God, what you said? What you said these dirty people from God?
Ooh. This
These dirty people from.
You said the
Me
woman bring
can't,
me down last night. I'm not
me
trouble
can't
her.
see somebody a tell lie pant up on me. And I tell the lie. They need to come and tell the truth. Tell the truth. Me can't see people tell lie on me. Destiny girl. You know, okay, let me tell you, you know when you're there, right? And
You
your
me tell
phone
her,
is
like you need to take back you need to take back your bed. The
Destiny,
furniture there.
stop calling me. Stop telling me about me take back bed. Me not take back no
Yeah,
fucking
and
bed
dirty
from
big back
nobody.
beauty. We don't know why I like her friend dirty beauty there. Beauty they
Me
can't
go
tell you
friend
know.
anybody me want to friend.
Beauty think the blood clot. Beauty go
Me
fuck
gonna
your
left your
man.
Destiny. Me not end up with
You
you.
all come up for the life. Don't come up for the life. Come up for the life, bro.
Stop that.
That's step on the life, man. Every day tell
No.
people call beauty because they know somebody call beauty like beauty because special.
Me
Beauty
not
because
this.
God.
I have kids and she have kids. Me not disrespect
She want that shit pure
nobody.
cock.
Me
Oh,
not disrespect
one. So
nobody.
oh yeah, disrespect people that have kids. Latter you bitter wicked do.
Yeah,
We don't
when they
disrespect
come
nobody
from
have kids.
no. You see when people come for me, I come back for you. That's how we work. Me don't
What
just
beauty?
come up and curse people like that. Destiny. You should know that of all people. You know me of all these years, and you can really make up your mind about me. And me for sure, that's why I swear on my life and my kids' them life. Me never take back
You
no
know,
bed
but I
from
tell you, man,
nobody.
go report on page on my page, blood clot report on my Kim, don't do that, man. What was report? Don't do that, Kim.
Me not report nobody page for what? Me got time for Instagram. Me not look fame
No, they
from
must.
Instagram.
Well,
Me
I
not look
oh,
nothing.
that's right. Oh.
Me not want no fame off of Instagram.
But I cuss a child, man. One buckler, the little girl
That's
young.
the
Don't do that like that.
that's
Yes,
the
the child
child.
then cuss for your
I
fit
don't
too.
care.
But don't do it.
She could
It's
take
young.
body. She come up
Gotta go, gotta
and
go
talk
beat
the
him, you
shit
know.
there. God not beat me, sweetheart. Me swear to God to you. Me start this shit. No, God can't beat me. For what? Where God gonna beat me for? To talk the truth? Let me tell you
Yeah,
something,
you
yeah?
can. Somebody, someone. They're gonna
Me
make your
swear for
man
me
box in your blood clot.
life, right? Me swear for me kids them lives, right? Nobody come tell like on top of Instagram. Nobody come tell like on top of Instagram. Nobody tell the truth. She have to come up and tell the truth, but they have to come tell the truth.
So you say never take back your bed.
We never take back no bed from the little
So
girl. The
what
little girl
7:30
life.
and nobody not ready? I already not ready.
I got time for this shit. I don't give a fuck who have a child, make a child. I could say, and I could do anything on my fucking phone. Nobody pay my phone bill. Nobody pay my phone bill.
You think you can make it to the party?
This need,
You think you can make it?
you need to
Which
take
one?
ass and come go.
Yours.
Sunday.
Sunday. Which time?
1 till 8 or it's still 9?
Till 8?
Yeah, 1 till 8.
Oh,
So
1 till 8
1,
in the afternoon.
Yeah,
you can make it, right?
Okay,
yeah,
I'll let you know if I
did.
can. I don't know now.
Yeah,
I wish.
she said she get raped and how come she never tell she brother she.
But I will text you on WhatsApp.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Do that. Yeah.
I will. What you say? What you say?
Not you or
You
somebody
say
else.
Lataya?
Not you.
So she do what? Did you catch what?
She bring up everything, so like, boy, she gonna go talk it on top of Shama life.
So she catch what?
So she catch STD.
Oh God, Lataya, not talk about that, man. Sure. Don't do it. It don't nice to me. Now love that. Don't nice to.
No,
A
you
kids, don't
can't.
do
You
it.
can't say don't do it when somebody bring it on pant up a fucking Instagram and make you look fucking bad like you do something. You can't come talk about don't do them things. You fucking mad or you crazy? You must want me to show you
Yeah,
the screenshot. Them. They have them in
but
my
me go
phone.
over the live a while ago with Shaman. Look girl not talk
No, no,
bad.
no,
She not
no.
talk bad
You
for
was not.
true.
No. You was not on there when she was fucking talking the shit. Then please shut the fuck up. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Cause you was not over there when she was talking the shit. Them. You hear me? I tell you.
When me not come up for live, but I tell me no, that a long time.
Look, yeah. Me have them. You see them there? I have them when she talking the fucking shit. I have them
Maybe
definitely.
looking for you.
Look,
Hey,
I have them destiny. Yeah, I have them destiny. Don't come talk that shit to me. But she wasn't bringing me down. She was.
Lord, look, girl, come in say I told me come when ready like Taya. You come like me.
No, me you different.
I beg 150 love. Yes, somebody give me 50 love on the live. I watch me.
Mayor is a different kicker fish.
But Lataya, if you have to help somebody and bring them down, I witness that you can't help somebody and not bring them down.
Let me tell you something. Stop talking about me help somebody and bring somebody down. Nobody taught me help and me never bring down. I wish anybody could come in the comments and who me help.
Beauty Blinga stinker.